Welcome to DJ's Preston Sports. We've just acquired this lovely little Focus diesel, just arrived in part exchange. It's absolutely drives fantastic. Clutch, gearbox, engine lovely and smooth. Got front park distance control, park pilot, finished in grey. Got the first park distance control. Got a tow bar we've left on, that can come off if you want. Few little marks on it here and there, but nothing to distract it from the price. The area is in nice condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Does have sync. Does have a rare sat nav as well. Air conditioning's blowing nice and cold. Done 109, 299 miles. Got an AUX, sorry, not an AUX, USB, 6-speed gearbox, Bluetooth connectivity, satellite navigation. Really does drive really well. DJH are full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give me a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.